Hi there, students. Catcalls, or as a verb, to catcall. Meow? Maybe not. Okay, catcalls are people shouting out or whistling in disapproval when they're in a crowd. So imagine somebody's making a speech and they say something that the crowd doesn't like. Well, people in the crowd very often start whistling or shouting out their disapproval. So to catcall, to jeer, to boo, to heckle. Okay, to heckle, Heckle. Look at that video, it's quite good. Or to hiss, yeah? So this is particularly common in the theatre or the cinema or something like that. When something happens that the crowd don't like, you get catcalls. So catcalls are a form of harassment, if you like. Now, catcalls can also be used in a slightly different way. This is a form of sexual harassment. You know this loud whistle as a pretty woman walks past a building site, or some sexual comment or some comment with sexual innuendo. This is a catcall. This is catcalling. There were catcalls as she walked past the building site. Okay, so there were catcalls from the crowd because they didn't like the play, and there were catcalls from the building society, from the building site, harassing a woman who was going past. Okay, so to catcall or a catcall, very often plural, catcalls, either shouts or whistles of disapproval or this form of sexual harassment. Apparently in the past, some theatre goers, people who go to the theatre, used to take with them a whistle, and they'd blow their whistle if they didn't like something in the play or they didn't like how it was going. So, next question, catcall. What about formality? I would probably give it a 5 in formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. I'm sure you could use it in something semi-formal, and you could probably just about use it in a very formal writing. Yeah, although I think you might want to use the word heckle instead. Okay, so catcall. To catcall as well, it's a regular verb. Okay, so there were catcalls from the crowd because they didn't like his speech. There were catcalls from the men standing around outside the pub as she walked past. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Catcall.